Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and we just returned from a week-long AmaWaterways cruise on the Seine River from Paris to Normandy. So this week we get to look at our beautiful stateroom on the AmaDante that we enjoyed during our cruise. So when you're ready to book your river cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks! Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived on board the AmaDante for our cruise on the Seine River in France and just got to our stateroom, number 310. So you can see it's a beautiful stateroom. This is a French balcony stateroom. AmaDante is a smaller ship that only holds 140 people. We have our own private temperature control, ventilation control. All the cabins have separate ventilation systems, so there's no recirculation of air. So yes, this is a ship that holds 140 people, and so they don't have the double balconies, they have the French balconies, but still very beautiful stateroom. You can see we have a nice king-size bed and lovely mirrors and artwork on the walls. The beds are vaulted, so you can put your suitcases under the bed after you unpack for your cruise. We're going to be on board for a week, so that'll be very nice. We have extra space. And we have a closet here with slippers and a safe and robes and more storage space here. Nice big closet with plenty of space for our belongings and a couple of umbrellas in case it rains while we're on board. And a nice desk, lovely desk with a nice flat screen TV and more storage space. And of course here's the French balcony. So see if I can do this. Here we go. So it opens right out to the Seine River. So it's a little cloudy. We're in port at the moment. And a little cloudy today, but you can see we have a beautiful view of the Seine River and Paris. And two lovely chairs, a nice seating area, and a table so we can relax and enjoy the view as the river goes by. And over here is the bathroom. So we have a nice big walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. The facilities, of course, and a nice vanity. So, lovely bathroom. And more storage underneath the vanity. So, beautiful stateroom. We're thrilled to be on board to enjoy a week on the Seine with AmaWaterways. So, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!